Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a box opening and a quick installation on an under seat storage compartment thing for my F-150. So I ordered this because I put a bunch of stuff under the back seat and it all just rolls out back and forth, straps and tools and anything I put under there. This is supposed to be a little bit better for storage, make it look a little bit nicer, and yeah, let's go ahead and do it. I got this from Rough Country. I think it was about 150 bucks, something like that. I think it's gonna be worth it. It's the right size. We'll see what it's made out of and all that stuff, and we'll go ahead and do this. Comes with a strap it in, little foam piece, little insert comes in right in here. That's to make a separate storage. And then they have you a little quick instruction guide on how to do it. So seems pretty easy. It's thin walled plastic, but you know it's under the seat, so it doesn't have to be anything ridiculous. You can see where they cut the hole here, and there's like plastic shavings all over the place. So you know, could have done a better job on that. This box was full of plastic shavings too. When I opened it up, I thought something might have been broken, but nope, it looks perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and put this in there. This is gonna be the front. This is the back, so it's gonna go like this with the truck. All right, let's do it. Like I said, I keep straps and stuff like that back here. Supposed to go just like this. Let's put a seat down and see if it oh yeah, it's perfect. Well, it's not that perfect because I have car seats. Well, it's gonna work for now. Put some straps in here. Slide this through here. So to put it through this metal piece right here, and then just it's a normal strap. All right, well there you have it. I mean, I think it's pretty good. It looks nice. I don't remember how much it costs. I'll check on that here in a second, but I think it was worth it. 150 bucks, somewhere around there. It's just a thin piece of plastic, but it's going to make so much better better use of it. The only drawback I can see is if you have car seats, you know, you're gonna have to like loosen up the car seat to get your hands under here like this, which is fine, but you know, it could be a little bit better. Overall, I like it. I'll probably test it out, make sure things don't slide around in there too much, and then I'll let you guys know about that. All right, thanks for watching.